guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I had a bunch of things on my to-do list, and the first one was to tackle this bedroom. I had a little girl that decided to sneak a blue crayon in nap time with her and this was the result. So I tackled it with a Mr. Clean eraser and just went over everything. It took a little bit of time, but it did all come off then.
Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone.
Next, I grabbed my cordless Shark. I love my vacuum cleaner so much. It does such a great job on bare floors, and just vacuumed everything up and got ready to mop it all.
Intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you.
I moved on to my room next, just made the bed and got the floors all done in here. There wasn't a whole lot to do. It's kind of a priority for me to keep my room clean. It's just my breathing space. I can get away from the messy house, at least if this room is clean.
To where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. Got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one.
Moving on to the playroom. If you guys watch my cleaning videos, you know that this room is always a monster to tackle, but I try to do it maybe on every 3 days or so, something like that. The purpose of having a playroom is just that they can have fun and play in it, and that the toys are kind of kept in a central location and not all over the house, which it's done a pretty good job of doing that. I just, like I said, every couple days, gotta tackle it. I'm also getting ready to get a new rug for in here. Our dog had taken care of the other rug, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm hoping this week to get the rug that I want for in here, and the floors won't seem so bare for the girls to play on.
Know what to do. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes.
Then this was later on in the evening of this same day. I just kind of did my evening routine, going through the house, just picking everything up, and vacuuming the living room.
Of this feeling you're giving me, don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you I wouldn't know wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know.
I had a pretty decent sized pile of dishes. I generally like to empty my dishwasher in the morning and then fill it throughout the day so that I don't end up with a pile like this, but it just didn't happen this day because I was doing other cleaning and then doing some stuff for work. So I had nice sized pile, which, hey, you know what? It happens. It's real life.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
I just sprayed the counters down with the multi-purpose from Grove. I love this spray, and as always, I like to mention that there's a link in the description bar for you guys to get some awesome cleaning products from them for free. And next, I just decided to do all of the floors in the dining room and the kitchen. And I don't think I mentioned this already, but I love my spin mop. And I usually try to have a link in the description bar copied for you guys if you want to check out which one I have. I feel like it's super sturdy and it just does such a good job. The head on it is actually microfiber and it picks up everything really well.
Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight.
This was filmed on Monday, and I just like to have as much of the house clean and my laundry all done as possible on Mondays. It just sets my week off for a good start, and everybody has the clothes that we all need. So this was the last thing that I did. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like for me, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.
Great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing.